The Are You Smarter Than game is our first game of the Volume 3 Power Pack 6-Pack. We will quickly show you each of the games in this 6-pack and then review some of the important features found in all of the games. The Are You Smarter Than game is designed for 4 teams and contains 20 of your training questions with editable subject categories. Teams compete with a helpful option to peek or copy an answer. This feud game is designed for 2 teams. There are 5 rounds and a bonus round in each game. Let's take a quick look. Survey says USA Today. Moving on, let's look at the Quizzopoly game. This is a fun and exciting board game. Teams must answer your training questions to move around the board and attempt to earn game bucks and buy up valuable properties. Everyone loves to play Jeopardy! I'll take leadership for 200. In this next game, teams compete to survive. This game contains 24 of your training questions. After a team gets 3 questions correct, we're off to the council to remove one of the avatar players, who will be left for the final round. Let's continue on to the last game in this 6-pack. Let's take a look at the Deal game. Again, we'll use this game to demonstrate some of the great features found in all of these PowerPoint games. Let's take a look at the optional Icebreaker game. Each game has a unique and built-in icebreaker. Have your training participants introduce themselves before the game. You can use either a 60-second or 30-second timer for each introduction. Now we're ready to start our game. How about a musical introduction? Now let's introduce the teams that will be playing. Up to 6 teams or players can play this game, and of course, like most everything in the game, you can edit the names and add your own graphics. Here's our main Deal game and scoreboard. In this game, teams select the lock boxes to see how many points they'll be playing for. Points range from 100 to 2400 in the boxes. We'll take a chance on box number 1. Look at this. The banker wants to offer us $500 for this box. Our team decides to take what's in the lockbox instead. After all, there are up to 2,400 points in some of these lockboxes. Oh well. Looks like this team will be playing for 400 points on this question, but they'll have to answer it correctly. We put in a sample question for this demo. We've even inserted a picture of the last class when they got the question right. You'll find it easy to put in your training questions and supporting graphics. After all, you'll be working in PowerPoint.
That's not only fabulous, it's correct!
Well, looks like they got this question right. But now that you have your audience's attention, and we know all learning begins with attention, click the information button. This is an opportune time to teach. Each training game in this 6-pack offers the instructor this important information button on every question so that they can expound on the question and increase learning retention. Okay, let's give the team some points. This is easy as well. Okay, let's imagine all the boxes and questions have been selected. We're ready for the final bonus question to see which team will win this game. In this game, teams can wager the points they've earned on this last bonus question. Now, let's congratulate our winners. This is a great spot to place images from your own organization, or perhaps even from the current training program. You can end the game here, or you may decide to award prizes to our game winners. You can award a high-value prize, or maybe just a fun prize. Let's click on A. All the TGI PowerPoint 6-packs of games are designed to be customized by you. Oh, and before I forget, we wanted to give you just a little bit extra. These free certificate templates come in 10 different formats, and of course, are all totally editable. Now for a quick recap of the games in this Volume 3 6-pack of games. The Deal Quiz Show, Are You Smarter Than Quiz Show, The Feud Quiz Show, Quizzopoly, Survival Quiz Show, and the In Jeopardy Quiz Show. And remember those 10 free certificate templates. Wow, that's a lot of games for a very low price. Single licenses or multiple trainer licenses are available. Visit our website, call us, or email us at sales@training-games.com. We make games that help teachers and trainers train. They increase learning retention and make training interactive, exciting, and fun. Visit us now at www.training-games.com.